Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I have a brand new awesome seat massager for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y to share with you. This is the back and neck massager for your seat. This actually should fit on any car, any Tesla or any car brands, but they designed specially to fit the shape of Tesla Model 3 and Model Y seat. So today I will show you the closer look of the material and see how the seat massager functions and how it looks in your car. Let's go. Okay, so these what came in the package. So the back massager, the neck massager, and then the power wire. So this wire actually connects to both the back and the neck massager to connect to your power output in the car. It also came with the USB-A to USB-C adapter. In the package you can actually choose either the neck massager itself or the back massager only. Of course you can also choose both, like what I have in the package here. So the material is actually really comfortable memory foam. Let me show you. It's really soft and comfortable memory foam on both back massager and the neck massager. So it changed the shape to support your neck and your back. Alright, now let's try to connect and then test it in my car. I got this awesome seat massage from Tlyard or Tlyard.com. Tlyard offers many awesome quality Tesla accessories for your car. So if you are interested right now, Tlyard having a really special Christmas and New Year sales. You can use my special discount code TC30 for extra 30% off on all of their products. And with that 30% off from $145, now it's down to $102 or $100 pretty much. That is awesome deal. All right, now let's try it out in my car. Okay, so before we can test it, we have to connect the wire to get the power in first. So connect the wire to the back massager and then connect the wire to the neck massager right here. And then for the front passenger, you can connect it to the center console outlet. It's USB-C outlet right here. So if you have the older car with the USBs, you don't have to use the adapter at all. Okay, to turn it on, just hold the button on the bottom with the hand label here. About 3 seconds. Now it's on. So you can do many different patterns. I'll show you later. Same thing here on the neck massager. Just hold for 3 seconds until it lights up. You can see the lights. Now it's on. So let me show you the pattern on the neck massager first. So you can do that. That's the first pattern. It's hard to show, you can't really hear the sound, but it will change the color when you change the pattern. See that? So that's the second pattern, it's green. So it checks in different patterns here right now. And then red. Let's try to get you the audio. And then blue. So blue, green, red. So the neck massager, you can do 3 different patterns. A little bit different here on the back massager because there's 2 buttons here. So you can do, let me show you the top one first. Blue, so that's 2, blue and green. And then red, that's 3. So on the bottom here has actually more patterns than the top one here. So you have the first one is blue here, right? And then green, and then purple, and then light blue, and then red. So 5 patterns on the bottom and then 3 patterns on the top, and each one you click on, it will change into different combinations on the different position here on the back, which is really awesome. I can feel it from here because of really soft material on the memory foam. So when you really sit on it, you can feel the vibration even closer to your back and your neck. Now let me try to sit on this and see how it feels. Okay, so actually if you are using it on the front passenger seat, it's easier to plug it in to the rear center console right there, so it doesn't have to cross this way right here. Alright, now let's try it on. Okay, now let's try it. Let's see how it feels. I need to squeeze myself a little bit to the front so you can see it. I think I have to go back a little. Alright, let me try to change different combination. I can feel it really good. Can change the neck one. Oh, feels good. You can actually use this while you drive on both neck and back. So if you are on the long trip, definitely a good things to have in your car. It wakes you up. Hopefully it won't put you to sleep. But not only for the driver though, you know, it's good for passenger or even back passenger. Let me show you later. So let me try different one, different combination. So different combination on the bottom here change the patterns. Like some of them would massage you on the wider on the side of your back, and some combination would massage you on the middle of your back area. So you can adjust this to go up a little like that, so it gets to your like a higher back. You can adjust it down for your lower back, but I think you probably get the most vibration right here on this position. Wow, this feels really good. I would definitely keep this in my car, not only for the road trip, for even daily commute. It's just relaxing. Awesome. Right now let me show you, you can put this neck and back massager on any seat in the car. You can put these on front passenger seat. You can also put these on, of course, front driver seat, and even the rear passenger seat. Wow, I didn't realize how good does it feel to use these seat massagers and the neck massagers in my car until I actually tried it today. It feels really good. It will become really handy and useful to me actually. As you can see, I can put these two on every seat in the car. Actually, when I did it, I didn't unplug from the rear center console USB port or USB-C port in the back at all. So I can just plug it there and move it in any seat of my Tesla Model Y. So if you are interested, I'll put the link of these awesome seat massagers in the description down below. Also, don't forget to check out new merch just right below this video, and thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. Don't forget to click like if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe for future contents. We'll see you on the next video.